everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. And today's Blaster Throwback of the Month will be going for November 2020. We'll be going to the Nerf Mega Magnus. So this blaster features, it shoots 3 of these Mega Darts. Has an internal clip, so it holds 3 Mega Darts inside the blaster, and it will load the next one after the first shot, and then load in the second one, fire, repeat cycle until all 3 are shot. And then in order to load the blaster, you need to pull this slide back, load 1 dart in, another dart in, another dart in, push it forward, and then you're all set. It does feature 1 tactical rail on the bottom, and that's it. No barrel attachment, no stock attachment. Has 1 sling attachment here by the handle at the very bottom, and it's overall just a very comfortable blaster to even spin or to even fire. It's pretty satisfying. It does even in fact have a safety feature, so if you have a dart stuck inside the blaster, you push onto this button to more or less dislocate it temporarily, and you'll be able to take the dart out and clean up any clogs or jams that are inside the blaster, and then you're ready to go. As far as the type of Mega Darts that are out there, I mean, I have 2 Whistlers, and then I have 1 flathead that came with the Bulldog, Nerf Mega Bulldog. And regardless, any of these Mega Darts will work with this blaster, as far as I know. For its performance, it's very powerful, and in the sense that it is a pistol Mega Nerf blaster, pretty much. And with the Mega Darts, they perform much more efficiently than, say, I don't know, like if you were to take an Elite Dart. And also, this is a proprietary ammo, so the Mega Darts will only work with Mega Blasters, unless you modify the crap out of it. But if you're not going to modify the crap out of it, you're probably your best bet is to stick with the Mega Darts, because if you throw an Elite in here, or I don't know, like a rival round or something equivalent, it will not work. It won't fire, pretty much. It will probably most likely get jammed. And shooting it is pretty much, it's an easy pickup, because you pick it up and it only takes 1 ammo. So all you have to do is just find ammo that looks like this, and then just load it into blaster tip first, and you're all set. The reason why I chose this to be the blaster of the month, even though it's fairly new, maybe kind of old, it's a very high functioning blaster. It really does the job, but the ammo capacity itself is pretty sluggish. You only get to fit 3, maybe 4. I don't remember exactly, but I think it's 3. You can fit only 3 Mega Darts in this blaster at one time. If you go past it, you might be able to pull off 4, but 3 is probably a safe spot for this blaster. And like the performances on this is really good. So let's see, I'm gonna aim for the doorknob over there. I hit it spot on. Not only is this blaster like very powerful, it's very accurate. Short distances, medium distances, sometimes long distances. And with Mega Darts, because the blaster is more powerful, has better internals, or more power pushing internals, like, and depending on how good of a quality the Mega Darts are or are in, there's 2 factors. Like the darts have to be in a certain quality, the blaster itself has to be in a certain quality, and if both of those check out, then you pretty much have a really powerful blaster that can shoot really far, really fast. And I guess that's the reason why I chose it to be the blaster of the month, blaster throwback of the month for November 2020. How much time we're in? We're about 6.5 minutes in. So I think I just went over all the key features of the blaster, the reason why I chose it, so I think there's not much to talk about, so I'll leave it there. Okay. Oh, that one didn't shoot. Alright. Oh, it's that one. Okay. So, what I just experienced just now was a dart jam, but I realized that with the first dart I put in didn't sit properly inside the chamber, or inside the internal magazine, and it was kind of fishtailing out, and kind of caused a jam inside the clip. That can happen, where if you throw one dart in but it doesn't sit properly, it will make the rest not work. So you just got to be careful of make sure that, like, the tip of the dart is in first. Let's see if I can pull this out. So what I mean is, so you have the tip here, and you push it in forward. Make sure the tip goes in first, and then make sure it's setting properly. Push the slide forward, pull the trigger, and then repeat. And then now I'm out. But I guess that's like one of the major cons, but it's more of a user error than most with this blaster, is because what I experienced just now was I thought I had the darts sitted properly, but they weren't, and that could be an issue, and that could cause a potential jam. So always be on the eyes and ears about. Make sure your darts are tipped first towards like if they're going to get shot out of the blaster, make sure the tip is going towards the end of the barrel, and just make sure that there's no darts causing. If you see a dart that looks out of place, make sure like that dart is not going to cause a future jam or destroy any internals. But that is it for today's video on the blaster throwback of the month, the Nerf Mega Magnus. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. If you enjoyed the video, understood the video, please throw down a like, a comment, subscribe, or if you don't feel like doing any of that, that's fine too. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day, night, life, and everything else, and I'll see you guys later.